16. We have Mr. Lee bought a total of 38 small and big boxes of nuggets. Each small box of nuggets cost $6.30. Each big box of nuggets cost $9.75. He paid $287.85 after a discount of $4 for every $50 spent. What is the total cost of the box of nuggets before the discount? Discount of $4 for every $50 spent. So what does it mean? Every time you spend $50, you get a discount of $4. So your one set, you are paying $46. And the fact that, right, he paid $287.85. What do you think you can find next, everybody? Very good. Number of sets. Because one set is $46. How many sets will make up $287.85? So you're going to divide. You are not going to have a very nice number here. Every time your step here, number of sets, and you don't get a nice number there, right? Remainder. Don't give me fraction, don't give me decimal, don't round off. Give me remainder form. Yes. You're going to have 6 remainder. Your number of sets right here. If here is dollars, your remainder must also be in dollars. So you please write down the dollar, okay? Don't like, teacher, I don't want to write the dollar lah. If you don't write the dollar, right, later you don't know what you're finding there. $11.85. So if it's 6 sets. So to find before the discount. Now currently we have 287.85. This is after the discount, okay? We need to find the discount. Now one set, your discount is $4. So 6 sets, what is your discount? 6 times $4, which is $24 original price. This question very nice to you. Your remainder, you don't need to make use of it. Most of the question, you need to make use of the remainder. So you just take the discounted price of $287.85. You add back the discount of $24. That will give you $311.85. That is the total cost before the discount. Now for those who do not know how to find the remainder, okay, bear in mind 287.85 divided by 46. Okay, when you key in the calculator, it will look like this. You're gonna have like this, right? A lot of decimal. Okay, there are a few ways to find remainder, but I will show you one way. First way, I want you to ignore all the decimal there. Just treat it as 6 sets of 46. Remember, you started off with 287.85, right? Okay, you're gonna minus 6 sets of 46. And that will give you your remainder of 11.85. So that's how you do it. Okay, I'm going to teach you the second way to find remainder. 287.85, you divide by 46, right? You get this, right? Now, this is 6 sets of 46, and also you get 237 out of 920 of your 46. So what you're going to do, right, is you just remove this 6, okay? Key in your calculator. 237 over 920 times the 46. 267 over 920 multiply with the 46, and that's how we get the remainder. So 11.85. How many small boxes of nuggets did Mr. Lee buy? You got total 38 small and big boxes of nuggets, but out of which you don't know how many small are there. We know that every small costs $6.30, every big costs $9.75. To find your number of small, you need to do assumption. You have the total quantity. Number 2, you have the total value. Yes, you must have 2 totals. No comparison. That's how you know it's assumption. What's your total quantity? You have 38 small and big boxes of nuggets, okay? So 38. And then what's your total value? Your total value, right? You know that you paid $311.85 before the discount. This is $311.85. Okay? If they ask for small, you are going to assume the opposite. So you're going to assume all are what, everybody? Big. Very good. First step, is always a times 1. Out of these 38 boxes, if all are big, right? Your big costs $9.75 each. So you're going to times 9.75. 370.50. So first step, assume all are big. Number 2, always go and find difference. Very good. Okay, there are 2 types of difference you need to find. First one is your total difference. Your total difference always a minus. 370.50, that's your total. Minus away your original total value, which is 311.85. 58.65. And then number 3, each difference. Very good. Now bear in mind this each difference, this step here okay, it's not always a minus. It can be a minus or it can be a plus. It depends on the question. So for this question, right, it is a minus. But there are some questions that you need to add to find the difference one. And those questions are usually the one that you got penalty. You got correct is 3 points. You get wrong is minus 2 points. You need to take 3 plus 2. Totally with 5. Now, your big, right, it costs 9.75. Your small is 6.30. So every time you exchange a big with a small, you are closing that difference by a 3.45. And your last step is always a divide here. Number 4 is you will take the total difference divided by your each difference. 58.65 divided by your 3.45, and you will get a 17. Now once you get this answer here, this will be exactly what you have assumed. The opposite, meaning you say if you assume big, right, means here you are getting small already. So that means you actually got 17 small boxes of nuggets.